front. Thank you. Alright, and you may see, come up to the front. Don't worry. Okay. Alright, here we go. Let's turn around and wave goodbye to people back on the door. Bye bye. Keep waving, and never see them again. Okay, welcome to the world famous jungle cruise. My name is Daniel. I'll be your skippers and swimming instructors in the 5-day and 10 night. For safety, make sure don't put your hands out, feet and legs outside the boat. And because this is a water attraction, so you may get wet. You can always hold the device and children. Alright guys, any first time on board, please raise your hand. Any first timer? Yay, me too, just kidding. Alright, first time with you guys. Alright guys, and look at your right hand side here is the Tyson treehouse. If you want to go to the treehouse, make sure don't swim over there. Why? Look at that. Ooh, crocodiles underneath the trees. Alright, if you swim over there, he will definitely bite you because the crocodile is the security of the Tyson treehouse. Alright, if you want to go to the treehouse, make sure you go to the left hand side and use the route to the treehouse. You go there before 6. After 6, they will let you in because Tyson wants to sleep for sure. Did you guys know how tall is the treehouse? Anyone else knows? Just get this? Anyone? The treehouse is about 18.9 meters. It's the highest place of the Hong Kong Disneyland. It is time. Make sure to go check it out. The view is perfect up there. If you don't have time, maybe next time. Alright guys, now we're closing this round area over there. Any people rating? When we cross it, raise your hand and say hello to them. Hello! Okay, don't forget the right hand side here. 3, 2, 1, hello! Alright, now we're on the world of the river around 4,000 miles long, but I knew we shortcut, it won't take too long, so don't worry. Alright, now we're closing to the entrance of the jungle. Then you can see left hand side here. Oh, it's a mommy elephant and a baby elephant waiting for us. The mommy is teaching his baby landing to use his trunks. Ah, it's so cute. Don't worry, he won't scratch when he's still landing, okay? Take a next time. I did the run to take a shower. You can tell you're taking a shower 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Look at those wrinkles. And sometimes it's so naughty to scratch on you. Make sure to keep an eye on them. And over here is the baby lizard's father. Do you like the fresh water or not? Oh no. Alright, hurry up. Here we go again. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Who's the lucky one? Ah! Just kidding. Got you. That's why they called it a dry humor. Uh-oh, since we lost in the jungles and we got Asian temples here. Oh, look at that. Meg's wide waiting for you. Make sure don't put your hands out. If you put your hands out, they will give you a handshake. This spider can jump over 20 feet, but if we just 10 feet, they will jump right over and go to the other side. Don't worry. Alright guys, and over here is the elephant decoration. And the security is King Cobalt. The King Cobalt is the most toxic being in the jungle, so the King Cobalt is open. Whoa, there's another one, a big one. Please, very good, you be careful. Don't get too close. Alright, now let's go deeper in the jungle. And look at that, what's waiting for us? Oh, many crocodiles waiting for you. They seem so hungry that they eat breakfast today. And the chief may ask why they are not moving. And because they're waiting for you to take the photo. Just let it stay still here forever. You got that. Alright guys, let's go visit our friend Professor Mona and James campsite. But London they forgot to lock his door well. Many clothes might hang around. Things bang like a mess. Oh no. Oh, they have guns. Lucky boy. There's also a miracle of gunpowders inside. Hopefully they will mess up with those collections here. Alright, now up here is the African bell. And you can see some zebras, giraffe, and also African elephants. Oh, did you guys know how to think the gender of the male zebra and the female zebras? The male zebra is white with black stripes, and the female one is black with white stripes. Any questions? Alright, here's the second largest animals in this jungle, the African elephant. Take a look in. And where's the mother-in-law? Oh, right there. There's the mother-in-law. One is mother-in-law. Oh, look at that. What's in the water? Oh, it's the submarine here. And there are many hippos there. They're so happy. They have 6,000 pounds. They can easily capsize our boat. Better watch out for that. Oh, watch out, watch out. Oh, there's another one. It's a chased by the rhinos. Look at the sailors laughing at them. I will just let them. They've been on the street already 14 years. Look at them, and the skulls there. Look at God, we're entering the territories. Oh, this place is so creepy. We shouldn't be here. But seems they're not home today. They gone for hunting yesterday this time. Maybe not today. Alright, get quiet. Alright, let's go. Oh, get down, get down, get down. You guys okay? Anyone else is head? Hold your head. Your head's still there? Okay, my head is still there. Alright, raise your head if you don't make it out. I will come back for you later. If we're gonna push it out the back, make sure to pull it out and pull it back to the river. We're not allowed to bring it as a souvenir. Alright, let's get back to the dock. Just up ahead, everything will be okay. I guess not a bad thing about this. Hopefully not. Alright, let's go. Whoa, 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 what happened here? Hang on, jumpers! Whoa, so. Oh, we need to go soaking wet. Now we're going to the wrong place. The 50 cannon of the gun. That's the place put in the gun of fire and the gun of water. Oh, look at that, we have no way to go. Let's go backward. Oh, we good trap. See that something out here? Oh, I'm gonna get it out. Watch out. Everybody, let's blow this fire out. 3, 2, 1. Right, one more time. Oh, getting worse. Oh, look at that, the water's on fire. What a gas chamber. Here we go. Alright, on we go. I can't see anything. My glasses. You guys okay? Yay! Make it. Thanks for the water gas savers and have a free sauna for us. Hey, did you notice what is that? Hey, look at that. Here's the beautiful welcome us. We are back. Alright guys, say bye bye.